I'm super excited about the results I got. It's thicker, it's healthier, and I love it. It's been more than I expected to have. So when I first had the procedure done, of course, a couple of my buddies knew, so they were like eager to see, but like, you know, I kept a hat on because I was still red from the procedure. I mean, I had started to heal when I went back to work, but nobody really noticed because the hair coming back is so gradual that eventually you just show up one day and you got hair and like, they kind of look at you funny, you know? But once they did notice, they were kind of blown away. As the months have went on, the hair's gotten healthier, it's gotten thicker, it's gotten longer. So a couple of my buddies were really impressed, and I actually had 2 or 3 reach out and said they were gonna look into probably doing something as well. So y'all make it a little busier. So during my recovery process, I was told ahead of time that it was gonna be a little hard in the first week or 2, but it wasn't that bad. It wasn't as bad as I was expecting it. The worst part about the recovery process for me was sleeping at night. You had to sleep at a 45-degree angle, and so the recliner got wore out that first, week or so. Follow-up care was great. The team here is amazing, very supportive. When I call and I need something, it's always there. From the first consultation we come in to the 6-month evaluation process to now, it's been a little over a year. I would recommend y'all hands down to anyone. When I was originally looking at it, it looked like the artist was the way I was going to go. And the more I researched it, and with my wife, she kept telling me, I think you need to do this. Once we got here and I talked to you and the team here, they were saying the same thing my wife was saying. So it turns out she's a lot smarter than me, who knew? So I was like, okay, I guess I'm outnumbered. So we decided to go with Varigraft, and I'm really happy I did because of that procedure, I was able to get way more coverage and density in one procedure, and it was half the time and more affordable. So kind of checks all the boxes, Well, having hair in the front and not just a little on top and in the back, it does change obviously how I wear it. I enjoy going to the barber now, because used to it was like, why go to the barber? I'll just cut it myself. He's amazed, my barber. Every time I come in there, he's taking pictures of my hair. He's like, dude, I gotta show this person, because they've been talking about getting their hair done, and they'd be blown away by the results you got. It's nice to be able to like blow dry it, style it, wear it out when I want to. If I want to put a ball cap on, I put a ball cap on, so all around it's a lot better. If I had to give any advice, is just don't wait, don't be apprehensive. If you think you want to have it done and you can make it happen, because you'll be a lot happier when you do.